using a, a shared database can be a very useful thing, as long as you understand that either one of two things is happening, right? If your mental state was, I don't want to use a blockchain because I don't want to put data on that public thing that everybody can see, or we'll use a private permissioned one. And that's good because all the counterparties will be able to say that they have a node, right? Well, it turns out that that is complicated. They don't really want to run a node. They like their, typically the kind of companies that are going to get into this have already accepted the idea of cloud. So, you just need to, and that's where you see things like Kaleido and other things popping up to say, hey, here's a blockchain as a service. Well, I say if you can blockchain as a service, then you could probably just you could have SaaSed, right? And you say, well, unless you really have a good reason that all the counterparties need to have their own node and run their own node. And I found that very rare to be the case, rarely was the case. Most of the time, they were perfectly happy to have IBM run it, in which case we could have written, all we needed to do is call it blockchain and then written it in Mongo. It would have been more secure and more inexpensive for the customer in the end. It wasn't like anybody was trying to, fool people out of their money. We were just on a journey. We were trying to figure things out.